Hey, Quinn Stowe here, Top Tier Mortgage. Just going to talk to you real quick about the differences between FHA financing and conventional financing. You know, when buyers apply for a loan, especially first-time home buyers, they're oftentimes not even sure what type of loan program to apply for. And they ask the difference between FHA financing and conventional financing. And I'll explain the differences here real quick. FHA financing is great, especially for first-time home buyers for a few reasons. One, it requires a little bit less money down, so only 3.5% money down, and allows for higher seller contribution. So sellers can essentially pay for all the closing costs, where buyers are only into the deal for that 3.5%. Two, it allows for higher debt to income ratios. So buyers can potentially get more house because the ratios allowed are much higher than conventional. And three, the rates on these government loans, rates on FHA deals are typically lower. They're about 0.5% lower than conventional financing. The downfall with FHA is it's a higher PMI, so your PMI payment is going to be higher. And there's also an upfront PMI that's tacked onto your loan, so that can eat up a good portion of your equity. But it gets you into the house with little money down and pretty flexible loan, and it allows for gifts and a big seller contribution. Conventional loans actually underwrite a little bit easier, and although there is conventional financing with 3% down, 5% or more is the standard. Rates are a little bit higher, so when you hear rates being quoted out there, you're probably hearing about the conventional rates. PMI on conventional loans is much lower. So, you know, all in all, it's with 5% down and an FHA 3.5% down loan, payments are about the same because that PMI is so much lower on conventional. And then post-close, once you're servicing, you know, down the road on a conventional loan, if you come into a windfall of money, you can actually recast that payment. So you can put money towards the principal of the loan and recast the payment to the new balance if it's a significant amount. So there's some good benefits, and your loan officer should go over that with you. You know, here at Top Tier, our rates are about 0.5% lower than the industry average, just because our contracts are so thin with our lenders, and we just pass those savings on to you. So if you want to go low, call Stowe. We're happy to help. Please reach out anytime with questions. Have a good one.